So this is an interesting little stat for you, one we haven't looked at in a while, and it's number of holders, okay? And so we have been with Shiba Inu quietly, effectively, adding holders on a go-forward basis, all right? So interesting enough, here we go. We'll look at Shiba Inu, and you can see that it's actually up 13%. It is definitely running nice right here, right now. We've had an overall kind of market bounce, move up, back up into the positive territory, which is good news, right? 2.5 and 5.5 respectively for Bitcoin and Ethereum. But the thing I want to show you is that Shiba Inu is quietly in the last month, from April 10 to May 10, added over 15,000 holders. So what is 15,000 divided by 30? So what is that about? Let's do this. This is literally me doing math, divided by 30. Yeah, it's 500 a day. But I wanted to verify the math. I'm a big fan of not doing math in public because it bites me in the butt, if you will. So we're adding 500 holders a day. And I think firmly and fundamentally, one of the main reasons has been price action, has been for the last, 40 to 60 days, a lot of volatility, very, very choppy. And we've been adding holders at a pretty steady rate to the tune of about 500 plus a day. And you've got a situation here where in the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu reached its lowest it's been at for a long time of 1375. And you also had a dramatic uptick in volume, in trading volume. In fact, if you look at, say, the last 1 month, you can see that there's been these spikes in volume, and you can see right here where my mouse is, you can see a dramatic move up in volume, right? Also predicated, look us back in March around 12. Look at the volume here that spiked up in that massive move up. Massive volume went all the way up to 4.7 billion daily traded volume. And right here, right now, we've peaked at about 2.3 billion in the last 24 hours. Part of this is, again, really people, a lot of retail investors and or above whales buying in at these levels because, quite frankly, they love this price point, this price level to be able to buy in, low point, lock in some profit that they could then obviously take advantage of later. Apologize for the dog. I've got some people here that are about to do some painting at the house and stuff like that. So I have these little Australian Shepherds. They consider themselves to be the pit bulls of the house. All right, but we're looking good here at 1679, up 12+ % today. You can see we've peaked so far in the last 24 hours, 1789. Volume is up really, really nicely. 500 plus holders a day, adding 15,000 plus in the last 30 days. All of this adds up to a really cool scenario that I see playing out, that it speaks again to the viability of the ecosystem, the viability of the project, and everything that they're looking to build out in the entire ecosystem. The metaverse, the game, Shibarium, which is Shiba Inu's own layer 2 blockchain that they're coming out with in the not too distant future that'll have built-in burning utilities, things of that nature. So yeah, bottom line, really, really looking good, adding 500 plus a day. Price action looks good. Volume shows that there is a lot of money flowing back into Shiba Inu that is moving it up. And I say this all the time, Shiba Inu is outperforming in a positive scenario now because the market is in the green. Shiba Inu is performing. It's a leading indicator of, Shiba Inu is a leading indicator of the retail investors' confidence in my opinion, overall retail investment confidence. What I mean by that is that Shiba Inu, to me, is a leading indicator that when money is starting to come back into Bitcoin and Ethereum and other altcoins, because money's flowing back into SHIB, because SHIB, because of its price point, it is a fundamentally largely held, retail held token, right? Very, very much just held by individual retail investors. And so that when you start to see it move up, you're starting to see you're starting to see signs of retail investor, that's you and I, the hundreds and hundreds of millions of us across the world, confidence in the overall crypto market. We'll see if it translates and we continue to get a move up. That's what I got for you. As always, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. Please stick around. I'd love to help you just continue to do crypto better tomorrow than you did today. That's what my goal is. I'll see you. Bye.